Hello everyone, Julian M. Farron back again for part 2 of the Python script. So basically, we're trying to figure out a way to make the resume analyzer more effective, more efficient. Basically, we'll recap what we have so far. So right now, the Flask application is initialized. NPL and BERT model loads the job description, text comparison functions, Flask route for index page, and run the Flask app. So this is what the script actually does, and I'll show you what it actually looks like when it runs. So choose file, let's choose your file, very simple. Click analyze, and it meets you with a beautiful screen. So if I wanted to improve upon this, here's what I would do. First, I'm going to go Shift, Control, and I, and this is going to give ChatGPT custom instructions. Basically, only do this if you know what you're doing, but it's going to change the output. So what I would do is I would say, I am creating a Python script that I don't know, it auto-corrected me. Grammarly. So I'm creating a Python script that improves resumes and helps people see what skills are missing for certain jobs. I am utilizing Flask and several other high-end libraries for this task. I planned to only use local hosts, so no servers will be ran. I also... Okay, that's fine. No other servers will be ran. It really doesn't... Grammarly really doesn't like the way I'm typing right now, but it's fine. I'm just giving it to ChatGPT. So how would you like ChatGPT to respond? I would like ChatGPT to respond as a software developer with 15 years of Python experience building ATS systems and tracking applicants through different metrics and using AI screening. I basically want ChatGPT to only respond with code that benefits the application and helps it become more accurate. Just with what I put here, you will be shocked. I mean, truly shocked to see how much more beneficial this really is going to be for me. So now I'm going to go, this is my resume checker. It does some cool stuff, but it could be way better. Make it high-end and use different types of analysis and give the user okay. Advanced natural language processing analysis, which we're going to be doing. Customizable job requirements. Allow users to input specific job requirements or preferences, making the analysis more tailored to individual job. We kind of are already doing that with the job description. I could add like another, like a skills, and then I could add like a job requirements, and then I could add like different. So that's a pretty good rundown. So let's say I doubt it does it, but it might. Yeah, and I hate when it does that. Your existing code. I'm gonna say don't say to also these changes. Sometimes I just get carried away. You guys just kind of got to bear with me. If there's anything like terribly important that I feel like I need to add, I'll let you know. Also change my HTML pages to incorporate these changes. I want a how's that? Don't say your existing code. Just give me all the working code. Also, change my HTML pages. Also, incorporate these changes. I want a fully working application that will ensure this is improved without removing existing functionality. And you always want to add this line. If you're using ChatGPT for anything, the number one thing I can recommend is without removing existing functionality. Because you'll give it a long app like this, a big 80, 90, all these blocks of code. What's going to end up happening? Lines 2 through 10 will just be gone sometimes. And it just expects you to just know that. So if you don't pay attention, then it's not going to generate. Well, it might. That looks good. I already like what I'm seeing. Will it finish? Yeah, it finished. Okay. Take me to index. Control V, and then take me to result. Alright. So very minute changes, but we'll see if it actually does anything or not. So, oh yeah, overall similarity 99.8196. Additional analysis results. Missing words. We are looking for a Python developer within experience in web development, strong improvement suggestions. Consider adding more details about your experience with Django, Flask, and RESTful API development. Highlight any front-end technologies you have worked with, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so I'm going to give this to that, and I'm going to say, in my Jippity, where's my Jippity? There it is. This is the output. Great, it looks like the application is working as intended. Here's a breakdown of the output. So if you didn't know what you were looking at, now you do. The overall similarity score 99.8, indicating a high similarity between the provided resume and the sample job description, which is crazy. I'm a 99.8% fit for this job. Still don't have a Python developer job. So just to show you how hard it really is, I couldn't have a better resume if I tried. I mean, you probably could get 99.9%, but yeah, if I applied to any Python developer right now, I probably wouldn't get it even with this resume, just to showcase how hard it really is. So anyway, done with my rant. Additional analysis. The additional analysis results are represented as a dictionary, and in this case, the key is additional analysis with the value. Okay. Missing words and improvement suggestions. Provide specific recommendations to enhance the resume. In this case, the suggestions include a more details about that. Okay, so this is technically better. So this is technically better. But what about we try to incorporate a Let's see. This might not be what we're doing, but I'm just going to see. Setting back an updated resume on the feedback involves a few additional steps. You can modify your app, create a template from the updated resume, generate the updated resume, provide a download link. That actually would not be as hard as you think, but I think for the scope of this video, we're just going to have to be okay with this. Expect part 2 will be something crazy like that, where we're just going to send them back a perfect resume for everything you have to get the job, based on what the job description, skills, requirements, everything else. So if we're really going to be taking this deeper and really getting people jobs with this stuff, we're going to have to look a little bit further into this. But for now, I mean, this is very comprehensive. It's all right there for us. It's making sense, and I really do like the progress. So if you're enjoying this, you want to keep going on this journey, just leave a subscribe, a comment, a like, and we'll keep going.